Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 81, using comparison symbols. So we've been using equal signs for our number sentences. So here I have some tiles on in each stack, and I have 5 tiles in each stack. So we would say that 5 equals 5 with my equal sign. Okay. Now if I put different tiles in each stack, it would look like this. So on the stack on the left, I have more tiles than the one on the right. So we can say that this stack, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiles in, is greater than this stack, which only has 3. So we say 5 is greater than, greater than 3. Okay. Mathematicians write that like this. 5 is greater than 3. This is called a greater than symbol. The open or bigger side of the symbol is next to the bigger number. A lot of people like to think of this as an alligator with teeth. And the alligator wants to always eat the bigger number. So you just want to make sure the mouth is pointed towards the bigger number. Okay, so here I have 2 stacks, and you can see that this stack has 2, and this stack has 4. Well, we know that 2 is less than 4. So we would use a less than symbol, and that looks like this. Again, just remember that the mouth of the alligator always points towards the bigger number. So 4 is the bigger number, so the mouth is pointing towards the 4. Okay, but we would say that 2 is less than 4. All right, what about if I have 2 and 5? When I have a problem like this, we usually have 2 numbers with a big circle in the middle to show that I want to compare. Okay, well, I would say that 2 is less than 5. So remember, the mouth of the symbol, which looks kind of like an alligator mouth, points towards the bigger number. So the mouth is pointing towards the 5. Okay, let's practice these comparisons and see what we have. So we have 4 and 4. Well, I know that 4 is equal to 4. They're the same number. What about 5 and 5? Well, 5 is equal to 5. What about 6 and 8? So 6 is less than 8. Remember, teeth of the alligator goes towards the bigger number. Okay, what about 7 and 2? So 7 is greater than 2. 20 and 77, 20 is less than 77. 95 and 59, 95 is greater than 59. 356 and 520, well, 356 is less than 520. 1,225 and 937, well, 1,225 is greater than 937. I can also do it with equations. So here I have 4 plus 1 and 8 minus 2. Before I can compare them, I have to answer these problems. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and 8 minus 2 is 6. So now I can say that 5 is less than 6. Remember, the teeth of the alligator point towards the bigger number. Okay, let's solve this next one. 5 plus 6 is 11. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 11 is less than 12. Okay, so let's just fill in some numbers for these comparisons. So this is saying 7 is greater than a number. So I'm just going to pick any number that's smaller than 7. So let's do 3. The next one says that this number is less than 4. So I just need a number that's smaller. So let's say 1. 1 is less than 4. What about 5? So 5 is greater than, I need a number, so 2. 5 is greater than 2. 30 is greater than, let's say 19. So I can put in any number. I could put in 18, okay, as long as it's smaller than 30. Okay, for the next one, I have my number is greater than 75. So we can say 123 is greater than 75. Now I need a number greater than 1,000. So let's say it's 1,500 and 92. All right, and that's how we use comparison symbols. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.